What's up? Welcome to the first video in a series where I will be remodeling my bathroom laundry room. This tired bathroom is 30 years old. It's ready for something new. It's got that old vinyl floor, laminate countertops, rusty sink, nice faucet there, worn out wood backsplash. Oh, look at that vinyl floor. It's looking good. And that awful 90s golden oak. Got to get rid of that. All right, let's start the demo. Be careful with that mirror. We're going to be using it later. Careful. When I'm prying off this backsplash, I'm trying to be careful not to put any more holes in the wall that I'll need to patch later. Good job. Oh, nice. That angle stop starts dripping as soon as I turn it off. It's quality stuff there. There it goes. Get it out of here. Now, taking this out was fun. It's so tight in there, you can't really take it out in one piece. So I had to prop it up and just grab my Sawzall and end up cutting it out. Not awkward at all. All right, let's go. Let's cut up this underlayment. Oh, dead battery. Okay, that's all right. I've got more. Oh, dead battery number 2. Oh, finally we got a good one. Just a lot of cutting and prying this underlayment out. Oh, careful. And here's a perfect use for those oscillating tools, hard to reach nails. Now I'm putting down the Schluter-Dietrich uncoupling membrane, which helps to prevent cracks in the tile and grout. I'm using the 8-inch version to get my tile level with the hardwood floor in the halls. And the oscillating tool comes to the rescue again. This makes it so easy to cut the door casing and jam so I can get the tile underneath it.
So now we've got an even bigger problem. It's going to start tiling today, and I pulled out all these tiles to lay it out, and I started noticing markings on most of the tiles. Let's see. It's kind of hard to see, but there it's that shiny line and it goes all the way. And there's one on this end too, right there. You can kind of see the ridges right there. And this is on most of the tiles. There's some more down there on that end. See those 3 lines? Well, it's from the cardboard that is in between each tile in the box. And it doesn't come off. It's like etched in there. There's that line right there. Tried rubbing it, buffing it, sanding it. Nothing works. What am I supposed to do with this bullshit? I can't use this. It's all got to go back. There's lines right there. Oh, and this is basalt. Natural stone.
Well, since we had to start the tile picking process all over again, I'm finally starting to tile 2 months later. Yes, you heard me. This bathroom has been like this for 2 months. But hey, I'm over it now. And I did move the washer dryer back in, so at least we had clean clothes. Okay, first off, let me apologize for the butt shot. I really gotta put more thought into my camera angles. So, it will be obvious that I am no tile expert. I have done tile a handful of times, so I kind of know what I'm doing, but not really. Feel free to leave any tips in the comments. This tile has really been one headache after another. The original tile we wanted was 12 by 24, but it was out of stock. So then you saw what happened with the first tile we actually bought. And then we picked this Chevron tile. And Chevron tile has a left and a right tile. When we got home with the first batch, pulled them out of the boxes, and one side was much lighter than the other, like really noticeable. So I had to take that back. So I was finally able to use the third tile we bought. Here I am breaking away the leveling clips after the thin sit has dried. This chevron pattern may not have been the best choice for ease of installation. The leveling system did work, but I was still having problems getting the corners level. I think these round levelers would have been better for this tile. So I lost some of the footage and then I just kind of rage quit filming any more of this cursed tile job. I did most of the cuts with my tile saw, but I rented one of these tile cutters to try out, and it's cleaner and really gives you a nice cut. Here are a few more progress pictures. Even though I had a lot of issues, it did turn out looking pretty nice. I'm so glad to be done with that tile. Let's move on to the white oak floating shelves. Are these technically floating shelves? I don't know, but that's what I'm going to call them. So I guess there's a lot of different ways to do this. I just built a frame out of 2x2, glued and screwed, and I did rip down the frame by about a 1/4 inch to fit my 1x3 front edge. These corners weren't exactly square, so I had to cut them to fit. Good time to have a track saw. Uh-oh, safety violation. Don't ever run your track saw from the opposite side. So I'm using 3/4 inch plywood for the top of the shelf and 1/4 inch for the bottom. Did it fit? It fits. And I'm going to be veneering the sides, but I ran out of veneer, so on the top shelf I'm veneering the underside of the shelf, and on the bottom shelf I'll be veneering the top side of the shelf because those are the most visible sides. Oh, another safety violation. Never go barefoot in the shop. Could end up gluing your feet together. Here I'm just putting some whitewash on the shelf. I wanted all of the woodwork to be a little lighter, and then spraying with some polyacrylic. Nice compressor there. A little sanding in between coats. And here I'm putting on the bottom side of the shelf, and I'm using some construction adhesive, some clamps to hold it in place, and Brad nailed it in. And I've seen some people put together the front, top, and bottom and then slide it in place, but doing it piece by piece like this just worked better for me in this situation. Here I'm just getting the front piece as flush as I can to the top of the plywood and nailing it off. And we made it to the end of part one. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next video where I'll be building a white oak vanity. Thanks for watching. Buchanan out.